Hello, what's up YouTube? Vapes back again with another video, and today we're going to be re-wicking the Smok RBA kit with a twist, single coil mode. I'm just trying. I am vaping this with the Big Baby Beast, and I got this to work by fighting off some material from the bottom here. And yeah, it was shorting the center pin with the ground, and that's why you get that atomizer short problem. So without further ado, let's get started. We are going to be making 5 wraps and using the refill pouch for pin. Okay, so 5 wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? That's not pretty, right? Not a problem. Snip off the end of the lead. I did try this once before. It didn't work. So I'm trying this again. This is an experiment, guys. I mean, this might not work. It might work. It might not work. Who knows? That's the whole point of vaping. That's the beauty of it. It's all about having fun while doing it. Now, okay, that's not perfect. So stretch that out. And then twist it. So that's how I get it nice and tight. Twist it. And then squeeze, squeeze, twist, squeeze, squeeze. Voila! Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now let's see. This will fit here. It just about fits in there, in the middle here. Okay. Now comes the fun part, getting it to work. You know, because I mean, this is an experiment after all. So what I'm doing, I'm threading it through there, through the post, and I'll twist it like that, and then we'll try to do the same on the other side. Thread it through the post, and then in there. Twist it like that. We will have to tweak it a bit because that doesn't look quite right to me. Again, I haven't done this before. This is an experiment. I did try to do this on a thicker coil. That didn't work. Oh yeah, by the way, I use 24 gauge A1 Canthal for this because that's the only coils that I have. So don't hate. Okay, that looks about right. Hey, that's not bad. That's really not bad. So I'm gonna snip some of this off. Just a bit of it off. Somewhere there. Whoops. Did my face come out? Because that will spoil the great reveal. You know. I'll edit it out if my face came out there. If my face showed on camera, I'll edit it out. I mean, because who the hell wants to see my face? Right? You guys are here for the vape tricks. Here for the reviews. For vaping. Not here to see me. Okay. Whoopsie. Been trying to thread it through the deck and the screw was in. That's no no. It's a no. Look at that. What? That kind of worked. Now, I'm not going to take credit for this because I did see someone else have this build or post a couple of pictures on it. So I figured, why not try it for myself? There we go. Would you look at that? And that's how it's done. Look at that. Okay. Now try to straighten it out. Okay. Now, you want to get this exactly centered, okay? You don't want it to touch the bottom, like what it's doing now. Okay, you don't want it to touch the bottom of the deck or any of these sides of the post, okay? So you want to get it right in the middle. So if it's not exactly centered and if it's touching any of those, tweak it until it's not, okay? Sorry about that, guys. A workmate. There we go. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm not sure if it's too thick or not. I hope I didn't short anything out. And it's reading at, that's impossible, 3 ohms. Sorry about that, by the way, guys. That was a workmate. I'll try and mute that. By the way, that's what the coil looks like. And it's reading at 5 ohms. Now, moment of truth, guys. Is it gonna work? Oh my God, would you look at that? Perfect. Perfect. Now the wicking. That's the tricky part, right? Because how the fuck are you gonna wick this? I'll bleep that out too. How the bleep are you gonna wick this? You know? Okay. Yoki. And tighten that in. And tighten that in as well, because you don't want that shorting out with the sides of the deck. Hey, what's up, guys? It's been about 3 days, and during editing I was not really happy with the outcome of the video, so I would redo this part. Anyway, that's what the coil looks like now, and that's the deck. So you first want to get this lead in, okay? Then see that? Would you focus, please? Thank you. You get this lead in here, focus, and then you sort of gently get this one in there. Isn't there a manual focus on this thing? There we go. See that? Now for the fun part, the wicking. Get your organic Japanese cotton, like that. You're going to need quite a long, but it's quite thin, but a wide sheet for this. And then twist a small bit of it, like that. Okay, it's gonna seem a little snug at first, but no problem. Thread it through. No, that's too snug though. That's way too snug. If it's too tight, sorry about that, guys. Work calls. Now, let's get back to it. Take a piece of cotton, Japanese organic cotton. Make sure of it. It's nearly the same width, as the post deck itself, and it's really thin though. Okay, so you're gonna take, it's just one sheet. At the end of it, thread it in through there. Isn't that a pretty build, guys? Okay, build in. It's gonna be a little bit snug, but it's nothing to worry about. Just a little snug. Get it loose, like that. Okay, then what we want to do is trim off this part. Okay, lay it flat like this. If only this camera could focus. Lay it flat like that. Okay, then trim it precisely in the center, just like that. Okay, and do the same for the other side. Ooh, sorry about that. My bad, my camera fell. No, where was I? Okay, here we go. Precisely. Oh, that's not good. Okay, got that fixed. Now back again, precisely in the center. That doesn't seem fair. Oh, that's fair. See that? Then gonna need to split these apart. Take one of them, stuff it in there. Focus. Add a girl. Stuff it in there. Right. Yeah, lovely. And in there too. Now, there is something you're gonna need to take note of. You don't want to block your airflow holes. See that? You really don't want to block that. Sorry, this camera could just focus. There you go. You're gonna keep this part open. Okay? And you do the same for this. I'll probably fast forward through this. Oh, you know that trick. This is like a chipmunk talking. A chipmunk! Oh. Oh my god. There we go. Anyway, stuff it in through there. Okay. Make sure that's nice. Clear. Focus, bad boy. Let's see. That is beautiful. Beautiful. How pretty that is. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. Now I have been vaping this coil for 3 days, like I said. I had to redo this part because of the I was not happy with the outcome in the first video. I really wasn't. I already had Look at these. How many ohms is this? Sorry. Focus, Mr. Camera. 0.563 ohms. Meh. Not too bad. Let's have a vape. Anyway, that's all from me, also. Like, share, subscribe, and thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, you know. Do something, at least. Let me know that you're there, that you're watching, that you like these videos, or that you don't like them, whatever. Just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out. Oh. By the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, can't make cold.